looking for an answer, keep looking, because I don't know.
What's up guys, it's Emmy, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a super exciting video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these cowrie shell necklaces, and these are just super trendy this year and they're really like beachy and cute. So what kind of made this come about is I was looking to buy one of these because I saw Hannah Maloche had one. Get in my basket, you know, like I was just like yes. So then I looked on Amazon and they're literally like $18 and $20 and I'm like no. So this is just what it looks like. So I know some people do it where like they just tie it in the back, but I didn't really like that. I thought it like kind of looked dumb. So I did it as a slip knot. And then it's one of these where like you can go ahead and like grab one of the strings, then you slide it and then it like tightens. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm so bad at these, but you're gonna need a shell, a loopy thing, and pliers, and then obviously some string. So you're gonna take the little loopy thing, put it through your white shell, make sure it has a hole in the back, and then you're gonna put that loopy thing with the shell on the string, and then tighten it with the pliers. And there you go. And now you're gonna do the actual knot part. So you're gonna put the left string over the right string, and then take the right string from the back and put it over 2 times. So there you go. Put it over 2 times, make sure they cross. And then with your extra little tail, you're gonna put that through the 2 loops and tighten that. I'm sorry guys, I'm so bad at explaining, so if you guys don't understand this, just, you know, just look it up. I don't even know. So it'll look like that at the end, and then just turn the necklace around and then do it again to the other side. So as you can kind of see it a little bit better in this one. Like you can see that I like put it through and like tightened it, so yeah, there's that. And then you can move your knots now, and then you're done. Good job. Yes, you go girl. So then you just cut off the excess and you're heckin' done. Okay, so this is the necklace I just made. I just made it on like this cream cord, and then I made it with obviously a white shell. One thing that is really good is that like these knots, I probably didn't describe them well, but if you like search up like how to do like a slip knot on YouTube, there's one that some guy does. It's like for a paracord necklace, but it works like exactly the same. Boom, like that. So that is my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!